Hey everyone, it's been 10 days since I started the 100-day modeling challenge, and today I'd like to share a little summary. Even though it's only been 10 days, I've already gained a lot. I'm a 3D game animator with over 15 years of experience. In the game industry pipeline, modelers usually create the models, and animators like me handle rigging and animation afterward. Because of this, my modeling skills have stayed at a basic level. In my free time, I enjoy making short animations for fun, and I usually use free or purchased models. But now, I really want to create original animations that tell the interesting stories I've had in mind for a long time. To do that, I've decided to spend the next 100 days improving my modeling skills. Before this, I made many characters using Vroid, and I also created their hats, weapons, and other accessories using Blender. That gave me a lot of confidence for this new challenge. As someone with ADHD, I may not lack creativity or technical skills, but staying consistent is even more valuable. I'll keep recording my daily practice and share more thoughts and experiences along the way.